Now coming lecture number 2, page number 55. Yes, over time, organic matter such as remains of dead plants and animals mix with the soil and decompose to form a dark colored nutrient-rich material called humus. Now this material adds nutrients to the soil and makes it fertile. Thus, soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface that consists of sand, humus, minerals, air and water. Yes. Now over the time there are many organic matters are there, like it is given there, dead remains of plants and animal, it mix with the soil. Okay, because whatever the dead remains of plants and animals are there, they found on the surface of the land, surface of the earth surface. So they also over the time they also get mixed with the soil. So organic matter such as dead remains of plants and animals mix with the soil, okay, to form a tar mixed with the soil and decompose to form a dark colored. Okay, actually soil is mainly you find it is soil actually it is very dark color, and in soil you will find many minerals, nutrients, rich minerals, dark colored nutrient rich mineral material called humus. Material called humus. If somebody asks what is humus, so organic matter, okay, organic that just you can say the dead remains of plants and animals is called humus. Now where you will get humus? So humus usually it is mixed with the soil. In many soils you will find a humus. Soil which contains humus, that is very good for cultivation. If you cultivate any crops in that soil, whatever crops you will grow into that soil which contains lots of humus, like dead remains of plant animals, that whatever crops you will grow, that will grow very easily and in very good quantity also. So the material adds nutrients to the soil and makes it fertile. That's why the soil which contains humus, that is very rich in nutrients and which make the soil fertile. There are many soil also you will find that is not good in fertile. Okay, means just you will grow one or two crops. Okay, and after that fertility of that soil will go. That fertility of that soil will go. Why? Because nowadays farmers are using chemical fertilizers. So when we add chemical fertilizers in soil, it takes away all the nutrients, all the minerals, okay, from the soil. If we use natural fertilizer like cow dung, okay, like this, the soil which contains humus, because also many soils contain, means whatever soils are there, it contains humus, but due to the adding of chemical fertilizers, all the quality, or you can say all the fertility of soil, it goes after some time. But if we use natural fertilizers, okay, our whatever crops we will grow, that will be healthy also, and that land will be also, it will go for many years, that fertility of that land will not be. Okay, so the soil is it, we know a conclusion is the soil is the topmost layer of the earth surface. Okay, so this is the soil is the topmost layer of the earth surface that consists of sand, okay, that consists of sand, humus, dead remains of plants and animals, minerals, air and water. Soil also contains air and water also. Okay, so this how soil is formed, that is over. Now we'll go for next topic, that is composition of soil. Composition of soil means to say what are the some particles that you will find in soil. Soil also contains many particles. So that we will see in composition of soil. Composition of soil. Soil is composed of different soil particles that vary in size. The size of particles determine the textures of the soil. There are three main types of soil particles. Okay, soil. The size of the particles in soil you will find three types of soil particles. So there are three types of soil particles. So 101 will read. Okay, so first let me make one picture here. Okay, so there are some soil are there. So this is all colored. So this is known as sand. This is known as silt, and this small particle that is known as clay. Okay, so now we'll see first about sand. So sand, these are the largest particles. Okay, sand in soil you will find these are the largest soil particles. So sand, these are the largest soil particles, as you can see in the picture also. Okay, now silt. These particles are smaller than the sand particle. You can see this is sand particle and that silt particle you can say. So these are the smaller particles than these sand particles but larger than the clay particles. So these particles are smaller than the sand particles but larger than the clay particles. Now we'll go to clay. So clay, these are the smallest soil particles. Okay, because sand you will find in very large quantity. Silt, it is smaller than the sand but larger than the clay, and clay is very smallest particle of the soil, and clay that it is very sticky also. Okay, it is like a gum. So till composition of soil I am stopping. Okay, now next point that is types of soil is there. So this is soil composition, and let me write here. Okay, if you want to draw or you can take screenshot, you can take. In next classes, I will go for types of soil. For now, goodbye to all of you.